Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just got back from Pahrump. Got a little stash. About to show you guys. Still in the boxes. Unboxing will be a little later. So let's check it out. Got some cases. Went to demo day. Went the week after. Made a few little trips. Got those cases. Lots of cakes. 500 gram, 200 gram. Got your assortments right here. You're rolling in the dough. It's your house party. Mars Attacks. And the American Blockbuster. You gotta get plenty of those. Kids love those. Got most of the demo cases that were on special. Standing Proud. She's Packing Heat. Legendary Storm. Not an Option. That Rave Party, got 2 of those. Some stuff from last year, Path to Destruction. Got that Total Action. Got that Supercharged. Got that Vida Loca. And let's see, got that Seek and Destroy. And some Z Factors.